Hello lovelies, Aquaba and welcome. I hope you're doing great. On the menu today, we're going the Ivory Coast way. I'll be making some attieke, also known as cassava couscous, paired with some baked fish. Attieke is a popular dish from the West African country of Ivory Coast or Côte d'Ivoire, and it's a dish made from grated cassava, and it's often served with grilled fish or meat. So join me in my kitchen and let's get started, and as always, I truly hope you enjoyed the video. So to get started, in a bowl I'll add about a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, half a tablespoon of Anise Herb, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, about half a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika. I will then gradually add tablespoons of olive oil until I reach my desired thickness for my marinade. Next, I will mix all ingredients. Since my marinade is still a bit dry, I will go in with 2 additional spoons of olive oil. I will then set the marinade aside and then prep the fish for baking. The fish is thoroughly washed. I will pat it dry with a paper towel. Try and get it as dry as possible. I will then slice through the flesh of the fish like this, allowing the flavors of the seasonings to pierce through the fish and cook it evenly. Next, I will rub the marinade onto the fish and make sure to be generous enough to cover the whole fish with some marinade. This will result into some juicy fish. And guys, I'll have all ingredients used listed in the description box below. While I marinate the fish, I also have my oven preheating. I will then place the fish on a baking rack, then place it in the oven to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. After about 25 minutes, the fish is ready. I will rub on some seasoned olive oil, then set it aside. Next, my vegetables are washed and ready to go. I will slice my onions and bell peppers and get them ready to stir fry. You can use any other vegetables of your choice. Guys, I honestly cannot wait to try this attieke. This is my first time making this recipe, so if this is your first time as well, let me know how you did in the comments when you try this recipe. Next, I will add about a tablespoon of olive oil to the saucepan. Then add my sliced onion to the heated oil. We will stir fry this on medium heat for 1 minute. And lovelies, if you're enjoying this video and you don't want to miss out on future content, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate it. After 1 minute, we will add in the sliced bell peppers, then stir fry together for 3 minutes on medium heat. I went in with some salt to taste here, but you can go in with any additional seasonings for your desired taste. After 3 minutes, my stir-fried vegetables are ready, so I will set it aside and then begin on the attieke. Now in a large bowl, I'll add about 1 cup of the attieke cassava couscous, some salt to taste, and a tablespoon of olive oil to add some flavor to the attieke. Others like to add in Maggi, but these are totally optional. You can enjoy your attieke without adding in any seasonings. I will then give it a good mix, then go in with some warm water bit by bit, then continuously stir. You will also notice that your attieke will double in size once it absorbs water. Next, I will place the attieke in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes while keeping an eye out, stirring and adding water if needed. And guys, just like that, the attieke is ready to be served. I just can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much for cooking with me, and I hope you're intrigued to try this recipe after watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, however, please remember to give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next video.